Yo, this is kind of slow, but I know the Jeep's gonna be pumping it. But this is one subject that nobody don't know about.
Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. Who's the beat of go the rock the how? When you hear my golden voice, you know it's me, the poetical, energetical rap MC. Well, that's not the subject matter of to be cool. I'm just telling you girls and fly kids stay in school. I always reminisce when I was in class 12. But you feel like a simpleton when you get expelled, or even if you have a couple of days of detention. It's just as good as one bad suspension. So when you're grown up, you'll say the same thing to your kids. Be in class before the bell ring. But you know, kids is kids. For them, high school is like a 3-year bid. I'm not gonna tell a lie, I used to cut class until a principal say, got about that. She said, "Biz, the only way you're gonna get a BM is to get your education instead of hanging with him." So I got my head together and chill the hell out, and the only thing they can say is check 'em out. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the how. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the house. Now this is the second part of this lesson. I'm saying it this way cause it's my profession. You don't have to go to high school to be an MC, but you got to know the value and means of money. Cause a lot of parents, they are taxpayers. So it's real stupid when you disobey your principal, vice principal, or even a teacher. Cause when you do that, you know you never reach a higher level or even your goal, because you don't want to listen to what you're told. So please take heed to what I say. I hope I'm not saying it for my health today, cause if I am, please tell me so I can stop. It's not like I'm your mother, sister, brother, or pop. So come on and listen to me without no doubt, so you can be educated and have clout. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the house. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the house. I'm just telling young people to stay away from drugs, cause if you mess with that, it'll make you bug. Whatever you wanna call it, I'm telling you, don't become a drug addict or alcoholic, because it will mess with your mind and brain. And all the thing you wanna do is fiend and complain. Cause I'm telling you just like this off the top of my head, don't mess with it, cause you will be misled by other people, devils and demons. I'm Markie, I'm not Alfred Simmons. I'm just telling you to do this without the doubt, cause I'm the biz and I got the clout. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the house. Check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out, check 'em out. With the beat, I'm gonna rock the house. This go out to my man, Def Jeff, my man Backspin, my man El Capone, can't forget my Dr. Bombay.